Good afternoon, everyone. I think roll number 66. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Then start sharing the screen.
1 minute. Sir, sir,
Ah,
shall I send my slides to your mail? Then you will move on. I will explain you.
ఏంటి
నేను మీకు మెయిల్ చేస్తా సార్
Ah,
పీపీటీస్ మీరు మూవ్ చేస్తుంటే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేస్తాను.
అలా ఎందుకు వాడకపోయినా ఏమైంది నీ దగ్గర షేర్ అవ్వట్లే
అంటే ఇప్పుడు షేర్ స్క్రీన్ ఉంది సార్.
షేర్ ప్రెస్ చేయి షేర్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే లొకేషన్ అడుగుతుంది ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయని చూపించు చాలు వచ్చేస్తాయి
WebEx would like to access your alert windows to make it possible to share the screen.
మీరు ఏది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు మొబైలా ఆర్ఎల్స్ ల్యాప్టాప్ కానీ డెస్క్టాప్ కానీ అట్లా
మొబైలే సార్.
క్లిక్ చేయగానే సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి షేర్ క్లిక్ చేసి
ఆప్టిమైజ్ ఫర్ ఇమేజ్, ఆప్టిమైజ్ ఫర్ వీడియో.
ఇమేజ్ అని కొట్టండి రావట్లే
అదే సార్ ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. ఆప్టిమైజ్ ఫర్ ఆప్టిమైజ్ ఫర్
అదే ఆప్టిమైజ్ ఇమేజ్ అని సంథింగ్ అని అన్నావు కదా
I'm ready, sir.
సార్ నేను మీ మెయిల్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను సార్.
sirish@srinidhi.edu.in మీరు మినిమమ్ అసలుకి మీకు అసలు నాలెడ్జే లేదా ఎలా షేర్ చేయాలి ఏంటని
ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్ మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి. సార్
Sir, 365 I'm ready with my topic, sir.
Okay, then start the presentation. ఎవరు రెడీ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ సాకిర్?
అవుతుందా సార్?
వచ్చింది కదా, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అయింది ఇందాక, మళ్ళీ స్టాప్ చేశారు.
I'm also ready with my topic, sir. Can I share?
హూ ఇస్ దట్? రూల్ నంబర్
52. Sir, 62. Sorry, 62, sir.
జస్ట్ ఎ మినిట్. సాకిర్, ఆర్ యు రెడీ?
Sir, I'm ready. Hello, excuse me, sir.
ఓకే, 62. జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ 1 మినిట్.
63, sir.
63 మీరు రెడీ ఉన్నారా?
Ready now, sir.
మరి షేర్ చేయండి, ఎందుకు లేట్?
Okay, sir. One minute, sir. Okay, sir.
क्लियर करना को भी से व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड और भी చూద్దాం.
Sir, వస్తుందా, sir?
కనిపిస్తుంది.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sai Kiran, mechanical.
యువర్ రూల్ నంబర్ 63.
63.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. వాట్ అబౌట్ టాపిక్?
MG Hector electric cars and its features.
MG Hector
Electric car and its features.
electric car
And its features.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sai Kiran from Mechanical Vehicles. Today I am going to share about MG Hector electric car and its features. This is a version of 2021 MG Hector of an electric
Your voice is not audible. You're not clear, that much clear. Better to use the headphones.
क्लियर का पूछ रहा है.
Earphones ఉన్నాయా?
ఉన్నాయి సార్.
दीदी मत पूछ दे.
కొంచెం లేదంటే లౌడర్ గా కొంచెం గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్, వినబడుతుంది క్లియర్? ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్,
tell me.
వినబడుతుందా సార్?
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
1 minute సార్, ఇంకో ఫోన్ తీసుకొస్తాను.
Next, anyone? Rule number 64 or 62? Rule number 62.
Sir, I am already given sir seminar yesterday.
Okay. Next, rule number 66, 67.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Who is that? Roll number?
67. 367.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Then start sharing screen.
Is it visible, sir?
It's visible. Better to start the slideshow. Click on the third option. That one. Okay. Just a minute. Roll number 367.
Yes, sir.
Your topic?
Underwater robots.
Underwater robots.
Yes, sir.
Your name? Sujan Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start the presentation.
Good morning, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. Today, my topic is underwater robots. Let's go deep into it. Introduction. Underwater robot is a remotely operated underwater vehicle, also sometimes known as an underwater drone or underwater robots. ROV can also explore the subsea world while the operator or pilot remains comfortable at the surface. It is also called as marine robots. Role of marine robots in ocean. So if you see about robots in the ocean, it will be useful in many types, like collecting underwater samples, detecting poisonous gases, water pollution controls in ports, blockage detection in drainages, catching fishes, recovering of lost objects, leakage detection in deep sea oil pipes, monitoring population and growth of extinct and endangered water species. Vision of underwater robots. Developing a design for diving into an unknown water body to explore it. Its human accessibility with an application like chemical or electronic processing units. Developing a prototype for a 10-feet water tank and thereby processing a design for real-time application. It is known as trench. Some of the designs of underwater robots. Odyssey 4. It can hover in a place like helicopter, an invaluable tool for deep oils explorers, marine archaeologists, oceanographers and others. So it is useful to many types like water oils explorers, ocean underwater robots. Valdo a torpedo like length of the ocean underwater robot is 6.5 foot long robot with sensors. So primary thing of this robot is to detect the both oil and chemical dispersants to protect the area against encroaching oil pumps. So these are the designs of marine robots. Features of these marine robots. Aquabot imbibes biomimicry with robotics. It has a streamlined shape with fin-like structures for charging direction. It can dive up to a depth of 10 feet with provisional and for greatest depths in the proposed designs. Aquabots can view up to 3 feet using high-resolution digital camera. It has a provision for including an application-specific processing unit. Example, chemical processing unit for poisonous gas detection. So, technical aspects of marine robots. Basically, the movement of underwater robots will be controlled by the user, which can be wireless or wired, which depends upon the need at particular instant. For cleaning and collecting of samples, we are going to add a suction pipe which can suck the dirt, algae, and samples according to the need area. The robots will have a camera that can help user to know the underwater position and can help robots in movement. The wireless control technology will be radio frequency controlled by DTMF. DTMF means dual tone multi-frequency signaling. Interfacing to mobile and using GSM technology for control of movement. Circuit layout of marine robot. Design models. It is designed like a fish-like structure powered by microcontroller. High resolution camera with 2 megapixel radian visibility. wireless motion control and image transmission. Application: fault analysis in sophisticated underwater systems like geogeometrical power projects, capturing high-resolution images of deep water flora and fauna, temperature measurements, diving into unknown water body, French, explore human accessibility. Thank you. So completed, sir.
అలా చదువుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతే ఏం లాభం అబ్బా? సింపుల్ గా ఏదో చదివేసావు.
కీర్తన అదే ఫోన్ చేసి కొంచెం కోపంగా చెప్పింది కీర్తన.
సార్ సార్
Rule number 319. You can start now.
సార్
హలో చెప్పండి.
సార్ నేను మీకు మెయిల్ చేసి సార్ ఒకసారి చూడరా సార్.
జస్ట్ ఈ నాకు మెయిల్ చేయడం ఏందో మళ్ళీ నీకు పంపించడం ఏందో, నేను స్లైడ్స్ చేంజ్ చేస్తుంటే నువ్వు చెప్తావా? సరే.
Hello, sir. Can I share my screen?
Who is that?
Sir, rule number 361.
61. You just start sharing.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Start the presentation. Rule number 61.
Sir, someone is sharing the screen, sir. Rule number 390.
Who is this? Rule number 319.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 319. Rule number 319. Are you there?
Sir, 365, I'm ready with my.
319. If you are ready, just start the presentation or else just stop the sharing, screen sharing. 60. రూల్ నెంబర్ ఎంత? స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసింది ఎవరు?
సార్ 66 సార్ నేను మెయిల్ చేసింది.
ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిందా? మెయిల్ చేసింది నువ్వే. ఓకే సంతోష్, వెయిట్ చేయి.
ఓకే.
అండ్ ఇంకా ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నారా?
365, sir.
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి మళ్ళీ.
362 కూడా సార్, 363 కూడా సార్.
ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేయండి, ఎవరో ఒకరు, ఎవరైనా రెడీ ఉంటే.
సార్
సంతోష్ చెప్పు.
సార్ నా స్క్రీన్ డిస్ప్లే కోసం నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను.
సరే చేస్తాను, ఆగండి. స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, you are audible. Just start the presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Santosh Kumar with roll number 20311803666. I am from Mechanical B2 section. Next slide. I am going to give a small lecture about welding process. Sir, next slide.
Okay.
Many of you may know or may not know about welding process. Here I am going to explain a little bit of welding process. Here coming to the welding. The welding is a process of joining two or more similar or dissimilar metals by heating them to a suitable temperature with or without the application of pressure, filler materials and flux. A suitable temperature means heating up to certain temperature or weather conditions. Here welding is used for making permanent joints. Some may be for temporary joints also. Next slide, sir. Here types of welding. Here I am going to explain about the second one, not for first one. The second one, which means fusion welding or non-pressure welding. It means in detail about it is the material at the joint is heated to a molten state and allowed to solidify. Example, gas welding and arc welding. Here which I am going to explain next about these two, gas welding and arc welding. Classification of welding process. Here we can see 6 classifications. Gas welding or otherwise called as oxyacetylene. Arc welding or metal arc welding, resistance welding, solid state welding, thermochemical welding and low temperature welding. Here I am going to explain about first two, gas welding and arc welding. Next slide. Here coming to the content, gas welding. What is gas welding? Gas welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat is used for welding. It is obtained by the combustion of oxygen and fuel. The fuel may be acetylene, hydrogen or propane. Here which are the fuel used for this gas welding are types: oxyacetylene, air acetylene, oxyhydrogen and oxyfuel. Next slide. Here coming to oxyacetylene welding. It is a process when a combustion of oxygen and acetylene is used in correct proportions to produce an intense gas flame. The process is known as oxyacetylene welding. Here we can see how the apparatus or equipments are arranged in sequence. This may be arranged in factories or otherwise where the welding process can progress. Next slides. Equipments required for the above arrangements are gas cylinders. In those gas cylinders, pressure, oxygen, acetylene are required. Coming to the quantity of oxygen is about 125 kilogram per centimeter square. It's about what? Again come to the acetylene quantity, 16 kg per centimeter square. Coming to the regulators. Regulator means we proceed further process. Working pressure of oxygen is about to 1 kg per centimeter square. Working pressure of acetylene is about 0.15 kg per centimeter square. Working pressure is varies depend upon the thickness of the work pieces welded. Here coming to the quantity, it must be mentioned as oxygen must be equal to 1 kg per centimeter and acetylene must be 0.1 kg per centimeter square. Here coming to pressure gauges, hoses, welding torch, check valve and non-return valve. Next slides. Advantages of disadvantages. Coming to the advantages, portable and most versatile process.
It can be movable easily from one place to another place, and versatile means flexible. Better control over the temperature, suitable to weld dissimilar matters, low cost and maintenance. Coming to the disadvantages, it is not suitable for heavy section means it is not good for heavy processing industries, less working temperature of gas flame, slow rate of working. Next slides. Coming to the arc welding or metal welding. Arc welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat required to fuse the material is obtained from the electric arc between the base metal and the electrode. It is linked with the electricity. Types: metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding. Here I am going to explain about the first one, metal arc welding. The rest of three are expensive. Equipments required for this metal arc welding is a welding generator, is maybe a direct current or transformer, or the AC current. Two cables, one for work and another for electrode holder, electrode, protective shield, gloves, wire brush, chipping hammer, googles. Next ones. Metal arc welding. It is used as an electric arc to coalesce metals. Metal arc welding is the most common method of welding metals. Electricity travels from electrode to base metal to ground. Here the two different. Sir, next slide. Next slide look clear guntadi. Here two types of processes. I am showing you the two types of processes: stick welding process and electrode process. Here coming to the stick welding process, coming to the right side, flux, arc, metal and slag. You may know about the terminology which you have heard in chemistry last year or before last year, flux and slag. Next slides. Advantages and disadvantages. Coming to the advantages, most efficient to join metal, low cost joining method, offered lightweight through better utilization of materials, joins all commercial metals, provide design flexibility. Disadvantages: manually applied, high labor cost, needs high energy causing danger, need convenience for disassembly, defects are hard to detect at joints. Next. Applications. It is used in the manufacture of automobiles, aircraft frames, railway wagons. Railway wagons means the railway which carries goods. Machine frames, structural work, tanks, furnitures, boilers, general repair work and shipbuilding. Boiler means majorly used in boilers in industries. Coming to the conclusions, we have learned somehow about how the welding process. In this, we have learned about most popular welding type uses in industries. A good weld is always strong. Generally, welding equipment is not very costly. Portable welding equipment are available. A large number of metal and alloy, both similar and dissimilar, can be joined by welding. Welding permits considerable freedom in design. Thank you. Any questions regarding this?
Rule number 70. Rule number 70.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Rule number 70. 71. Anyone from rule number 70, 71, 72? 71. Pavan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me about the this one, welding process. At least tell me that types of welding. We have so many different types of welding. Tell any few names. Pavan, are you there? Next rule number 79. Rule number 79. Rule number 79, are you there? Next, who is this? Balraj. Roll number? Balraj. See, ఎవరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసేది?
Balraj sir, 65.
Rule number 65. Okay, start the presentation. కింద ప్లే ఆప్షన్ ప్రెస్.
Sir,
Continue.
sir,
What happened, Balraj? Continue చేయి.
are you able to see the screen, sir?
Yes, it's visible.
Topic about OLED, sir, technology.
Okay.
Introduction: using organic light emitting diode. The full form of OLED, sir.
Okay.
Engineering technology for displays in devices. Main principle behind OLED technology is that electroluminescence offers brighter thickness and high contrast flexible displays. OLED are sold solid stable device composed of thin flames of organic molecules that is 100 at hundreds to 500 nanometer thick. They emit light with the application of electricity. That does not require any backlight. They are self-emitting. They are made from carbon and hydrogen. Features, sir. Flexibility, emissive technology, lightweight and thin. Low power consumption. High contrast and brighter and perfect display from all angles. Structure of OLED, sir. It contains cathodes and anodes. Emissive layer. Organic molecules are polymer. Cathode conductivity layer. Organic molecules are polymer. Structure of preparation, device deposition. Deposit and pattern anodes. Pattern organic layers. Vacuum opposite and pattern cathodes. Color generation. Different approaches from vibrating red and green and blue prisms. Red and green and blue individual peaks with emitter and color filter. Blue emitters and colors converter. Color generation. Cathode organic layer induced with oxide. White OLED filter. Transparent contact stake OLED. Working principles. A voltage is applied across the anode and cathode. Current flows from cathode to anode through the organic layer. Electrons flows to emissive layer from the cathode. Electrons are removed from conductivity layer, laying holes. Holes jump into emissive layer. Electron holes combine and light emitted. Types of OLED. 6 types of OLEDs. recessive matrix OLEDs, active matrix OLEDs, transparent OLEDs, top emitting OLEDs, flexible OLED, white OLEDs. OLED advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: thinner, lighter, and more flexible. Do not require backlights or light LEDs. Can be made to large sizes. Large fields of view about 170 degrees. Faster response time, brighter. Higher resolution greater than 5 megapixel flexible size. Disadvantages: expensive. It can have a more expensive in OLEDs. Lifespan: it have more lifespans less than. Water damage: it can damage the water from using LED. Water balance issues. Color. Application: major application of OLED technology are OLED TV, mobile phones with OLED screens, roll top laptops. Conclusion: organic light emitting diodes and revolving has the next generation displays. As OLED displays technology matures, it will be better able to improve upon certain existing limitation of LED, including high power consumption, limited viewing angles, poor contact ratio. Reference: we can refer from the other internets. Thank you, sir.
Next.
Sir, can I share the screen, sir? I am ready with my presentation.
Anyone is there?
Sir, I am Sir 63. I am ready with my presentation, sir.
Okay. Then.
Can I
Start
share
share.
the screen, sir? Okay, sir. Share it. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sai Kiran from Mechanical B2 section. Today, I am going to present about MG Hector electric car and its features. Excuse me, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. Voice is clear now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, sir. This is the MG Hector electric car of 2021. It's a human thing, which made completely by human without using any instructions from the machine. It is completely based on artificial intelligence, and it is also it has several types: hybrid MG Hector car, non-hybrid MG Hector car. Non-hybrid MG Hector cars are run by petrol and diesel. Only hybrid cars are run by only petrol. Example, it's a human thing to evolve. What is about evolution that makes us better as a human? Our capabilities to understand and to connect better with each other. To not just listen, but also respond to each other, to help each other perform better every time. And the evolution that makes us better as human also makes the new Hector more human. Suppose we see if any car, in any cars we will give instructions, but it does not take instruction as we given. But this car, when we given instructions, it takes and it responds to our instruction. This is all completely based on artificial intelligence. And interior of the MG Hector, it is completely different with other cars. Example, you see dual tone champagne and black interiors and new rare tailgate garnish. It is introduced by Kimber in 1924. The history of MG Hector cars from 1924 to 2021. Once you see the cars, that
produced by MG Hector from the 1924 to 2021. It is also developed by Kimber. Presently he died. 1924. The first MG is born in Germany. The first record is broken at 1933. 1956, the year of the classic magnet. 2012, 15, 20, 21. Now you can see the electric car is produced in 2019 and it is developed by Internet SUV from 2020 and it is now using only Internet SUV without using electric. This is the design philosophy of MG Hector car. The front and tail are inspired by the F-35's large engine air intake, which create a full sense of power in the car. F-35 is a large engine which can create a full sense of power in the car, which can run the vehicle with as power. MG Hector, India's first 48 volts hybrid SUV. The MG Hector batteries is having 48 volts with lithium. The 48 volts hybrid system works as a combination of petrol and electric drive, adding power, fuel efficiency, and driving pleasure. And being environment, it is a full eco-friendly with the nature. At the same time, it does not release as much. It does not release smoke as much as normal cars. Can you see the petrol hybrid and diesel hybrid cars? Engine. It is completely turbocharged intercooled with belt starter generator. Petrol. It has three types: petrol hybrid, petrol, diesel. When it comes to the petrol hybrid, its engine has turbocharged intercooled with belt starter generator. Petrol. It is turbocharged intercooled only. 1.5. It is also containing 1.5. But diesel has 2.0 liters turbocharged diesel tank. When it comes to the engine cc, 45 cc, and petrol has 45 cc, but diesel has 1956 cc. Maximum power of it is approximately power up, and petrol hybrid car is 5,000, petrol car is 5,000, but diesel car is 3,750. Maximum torque applied when the brakes are applied by the petrol hybrid car is 1600 to 3600. Petrol car is 1600 to 3600. Diesel car is 750 to 2500. When it comes to the tires and wheels, the tires and wheel suspension dimensions. It has several styles in front and back wheels. When you see the style, front has with stabilizer, strut with stabilizer bar. Length and width and height of the car is 4,655 its length. Width is 1,835. Height is 1,760. When it is smart and sharp. It has rear semi-independent helical spring tourism beam, front and rear disc brakes, and it has several disc brakes which can stop the vehicle as much as you apply the brake. It is smart car when compared to other cars. Examples: it has 60 plus connected car features. Keeps your car connected always. It has features: voice search, engine start alarm, low battery alert at ignition point, Wi-Fi, speed limit warning, critical tire pressure voice alert, M2M video stream, accurate weather information at a glance, navigation, voice assistant, and it has over-the-air updates, remote vehicle control, eCall and iCall, know your car vehicle status, geofencing, smart drive, find my car, and etc. It has several features which another car does not have. When you come to the exterior, makes heads turn every time. When you see the tires, when you come to the tires, it has several designs. Front grille with chrome accent. Rear tailgate gan is designed. Front and rear skid plate in gunmetal tone, which can stop the skid of the tire. Dual tone R18 mission alloys, LED headlamps, LED front and rear fog lamps, floating light turn indicators, dual tone exteriors, LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, sharp fin antenna, chrome finish on window with weld line. Comfort and convenience. It has several convenience when compared to another car. Keeps you comfortable and charged up. When it comes to comfort and convenience, the all-new Hector 2021 follows the attention to detail. The car understands what you need and what you want and what you preciously need. It car understands by your voice only. Wireless charger. It has several features like wireless charger, auto dimming IRVM, heated ORVM, automated power tailgate opening, four-way. When you go to the toll gate, it has several features which another car does not have. Four-way power adjustable co-driver seat, dual pane panoramic sunroof, six-way power adjustable driver seat, rain sensing wipers, touch control, auto headlamps, front and rear fast charging USB ports, rear flat floor. It shades of an Hector, a car that has many sides to it, comes in many shades as well. The Hector is everything you want in a companion. It can change with your mood and change your mood. It can go where you want it go, and then you can control it by remote also. The make you want to go further and to start it all, it comes to in many colors for you to choose from, because color doesn't just define your taste. This internet car features. It has iSmart app for smart watches, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice search, vacuum weather, critical tire pressure, engine start alarm, low battery alert, like so on. Petrol and diesel style, and here comes to the cost of the MG Hector cars with petrol and diesel. 250 plus centuries to come say hello MG. Thank you, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Completed, sir. Thank you, sir. Any
Okay.
doubts?
Okay. We'll see the Viva later. And remember one more thing. One small announcement. From Monday onwards, you have only online classes. ED online classes. We don't have any offline. I think last Monday Sir said that we have offline classes from next Monday onwards, like that, right? Due to some, we don't have availability of this one drawing halls on every Monday. Because of that reason, we are going to conduct only online classes on every Monday. Okay? Just respond through chat box. We have only online classes on every Monday. And I think you have 13, 14, huh? Eppudu anyone? We have one offline classes 19, 20, 13, 14. Eppudu online class, offline classes? 2 slots icharu kada manaki. 16, 17.
16, 17.
Okay, we'll meet on 16, 17. And every Monday we have online classes. Gurtunchukondi, we don't have any offline classes. Because exams ikkada for 2nd to 4th year they have exams. Akka anduke ikkada classes evi khali levu. We'll conduct only online classes. Okay? 16, 17 offline unnai. Emana doubts unte aa roju discuss cheddam. And I'm ending this session. We'll meet on Monday morning. And pending వాళ్ళు కూడా next Thursday, Friday complete చేసుకోండి. Okay? And next slot is from 71 to 75 Thursday, 76 to 80 Friday. Okay? Thank you.